Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Joseph Duclos unboxing. While we admire how pretty this box is, I am going to answer a question that I received on one of my videos, and that person asked, how do you afford so many expensive bags? And that is a really good question. It's a fair question. I have been collecting for about 22 years now, and I have so many to the point where if I want a new bag, I will try to sell some of the older bags that I have that I've fallen out of love with, and that's how I pay for new bags basically. Sometimes I break even, sometimes I lose some money out of the bag, and sometimes I'll even make some money, which is fantastic. There's also Fashion File where I get a lot of my bags, and they offer a reserve, 60-day reserve, which basically means layaway, and that's when I'll get some time to sell some of my bags. And this one is actually gifted to me from my sister. Oh my gosh, look at this. Let me take this out of the way. So that is how I afford some of my bags. I'll sell some, and this one in particular is the St. Clair Messenger bag in this beautiful blue. But let's take a look at this dust bag here. Looks very nice. It feels very soft. So how does my sister afford it? She makes a lot of money. She lives in New York. She has 2 properties, but she doesn't live in any of them. And she lives with my mom, but that's like New York City for you. It's wild. So she bought this from Printemps, I think is how you pronounce it. It's French, and they just opened up a new store in New York. And let's take a look. I've never seen one of these bags in person before. This is the first time. So this suede is super soft, like extremely soft. So this bag is also hand stitched. So all of this is hand stitched, even including these corners, which I hear takes a lot of skill to do, because I don't even know how you would do these corners like that, but it is pretty amazing. The back has a slip pocket, and look, you can see like my fingerprints on this suede already. I'm like afraid. So this is a very expensive bag. I think on the website it retails for like $5,800. I've been wanting one of these bags for a very, very long time, but I can't afford this one. This one. Oh, actually, on the price tag here it says $5,400. I wonder why there's a difference from the website. That's really interesting. So you open it. There's another slip pocket here, and it also has some stuffing. Let's see. Okay. Another dust bag. Oh, this must be for like the strap or something. Very, very cool. So the inside, oh, there's does come out? Doesn't come out. Okay, so that's probably just to keep its shape. There's another piece of leather on the bottom. I thought it might come out, but no. It's like to keep the shape of the bag, like a box. So this is very, very hard leather. It feels hard, meaning like it's like a box covered in leather. It's basically what it is. Kind of like a case or a luggage, something like that, like a trunk. Yes, a trunk, that's probably it. So the hardware is very substantial here. Like I don't think I've had a bag with this like piece of hardware like this. I mean, you can feel how nicely made this is. So it's stamped there. Let me see how this closes. So you just kind of slide it in. That's what he said, but I'm having a hard time. Oh, there we go. So that's okay. So I've never had a clasp like this either. That's interesting. So you just kind of slide it in and out. Very nice. All right. So I'm going to have a in-depth review of this bag in a few weeks. I want to live with it for a little bit. wear it. And if you want to watch that video, please like, subscribe so you don't miss out. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you have any more questions for me, definitely leave me a comment and I will definitely answer them for you. So let me know what you think of this bag. I can't get over how nice the suede is. I mean, look at that. I mean, you can't feel it, but it is such soft suede. Like, it's velvety soft. It's amazing. And bottom doesn't have any feet, but it has this leather strip here to act like feet. And this color is gorgeous. This is like this camel brown, the perfect golden camel brown. And it goes so well with this blue suede. I love it. Thank you. I have the best sister ever. I have to give her a shout out for this. She like supports me by buying me bags for my blog and my YouTube channel. It's great. I am so lucky to have her as my sister. All right, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.